what is collinear points and non-collinear points. Let's see with a small demo here. Okay, see, you can see the 3 points here. This is a first case, 3 points, and the another second case is 3 points here. Okay, we will consider this case here, 3 points here. Can you all see? Yes. So what I am doing, I am checking. Can you all see what is this? We can say about this part. This one. This is a segment. Is it a segment? No. Is it a ray? No. What is this? This is a line. This is a line. Yes. So when I just placed here, when I just make a line on these 3 points, when I made a line on these 3 points, what you can see? It is a straight line or how it is? It is formed only one line, na? Yes. So whatever rule says that the collinear points are those when 3 or more points when lies on a same straight line. Are they lying on the same line? Is it or not? Yes, they are lying on the same line here. Can you all see? Yes. This line we will name it as, if you want, we can name it as a L here, the line L. Line L में तीनों points is lying. So therefore we can say it's a collinear points. Why the rule says 3 or more points? Because the 3 is the minimum we required. Because if it is only 2 there, see, always 2 will form a straight line only, na? 2, whichever condition. See, यहाँ पे, if we try this here, forms on the same. So 2 points are not enough to find out whether this is a point is a collinear or not. Minimum we need a 3 or more. So the rule says, what is this? Can we recollect again? 3 or more points when lies on a same straight line, same एक ही line में same straight line, then we can say that is the collinear points. Let's go for it. Next one. As you understood with the collinear points, now you may be clear with the non-collinear. What could be what can be that one? It's just the opposite of this one, na? When 3 or more points when does not lie on the same straight line. Let's try out. See here. These are the 3 points. Yes, you can see the next condition. Now, if I try to place here, this won't touch the third point. If I place it, if I place it like this, it will not touch this point. If I place it like this, it will not touch this point. So here, there won't be a single same line. It will not be. There will be a one more line. Like this, you may have a 3 lines here. Is it or not? For touching all the. So this cannot be a collinear points because that we need 1 more or 2 more lines here. So the condition says only on one line all the 3 points should lies. Then we can say it's a collinear. So this point is said to be a non-collinear as the same line cannot touch all the points here. Are you able to understand the collinear and a non-collinear? Yes. Now you can see what I have written. 3 or more points lie on the same straight line. It can be 4 points also. See, we can have a 4 points also. Doesn't matter. But minimum 3 should be there. Lie on the same straight line. Is it or lying on the same straight line? Yes, it is said to be collinear. Okay, 3 or more points which do not lie on the same straight line. Yes, because I am trying with this one. If I try it, they won't lie on the same straight line. Na? This one is not able to be on this particular line. So that's the reason it is not touching that line. So therefore it is non-collinear.